I'm sexy and I know it.
Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
We have to bounce off of her.
Yeah, I usually like just doing like the spur of the moment things, as you know. And I do it very well. All I do is spur of the moment things.
Yeah. Whoa! Fucking hell. I can fucking see that happening.
I'll be asked. Hey? No doubt I'll be asked sooner or later. What for? Help.
Oh, right.
Makes you laugh. What? Makes you laugh. They don't know how to fucking use lines.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not being funny. I can see the fucking failure, but I can see what way you need to fucking go. Right? I can see what way you need to go.
Yeah, yeah.
Please take the second exit at the roundabout onto the A27.